You want to start a newsletter or build an email list, it should not be complicated. One of the best platforms to use is Beehiiv. It's a platform that is built specifically for newsletters, creators, and also businesses that want to grow an email audience and monetize it. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through step by step how to use Beehiiv for newsletters and email marketing. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your newsletter, grow your subscriber list, and send your first email campaign. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up and follow along. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you're going to tap on sign up with Google, or you can choose to sign up with an email. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can choose your newsletter name. After you have done that, you'll be provided with a free URL. Then you can select what your newsletter is about. So for example, let's say artificial intelligence, and you can scroll down. How often do you plan to publish? Let's say I will be publishing weekly. Then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can simply tap on affiliate marketer and you could put in my name, or we can select skip for this example. I'm just going to be selecting starting with the 14-day trial. So we'll tap on 14-day trial. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, if you're completely new to newsletter, that means that you don't have an audience or you don't have a website. What I would recommend you do is select build your website, and that is the example that we'll be using. But if it is a case that you already have a website and you want to create a subscription form, better yet, or sign up form to embed on your website, what you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. From there, you'll tap on audience and you can select subscribe form, and you'll be able to create a form which you can use to collect person's email address. For this example, I'm going to tap on build your website and we're going to be creating a landing page. After you have done that, we'll select simple blog. Then you're just going to tap on next. After selecting next, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these templates. Let's say we were to select this template. Then we'll tap on next once more. After doing that, you can choose to change the image. So you could tap right here, upload image, and you could upload the image that you would like to use. You can tap on next, and from here you can change the color and the theme. Then we'll select next once more, and you can also personalize the typography. Then you'll select next and you can review it. Then we'll select start building. After selecting start building, you have two options. You could either choose to publish it now, or if you'd like to further edit it, you can do that. So you could tap on explore the editor, and you could edit it if you want. For the sake of time, I'm just going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll give it a few seconds and you'll see that your website is now live. Once it is live, all we need to do now, we can simply tap right here, and again, you can change any section you want. You can also tap on the image and you could change the image, as you can see right there. Then you'll just tap on next in the top right hand corner. You could select publish the live site, and from there you'll have a live site. We can select preview draft and you can see how it will look. After you have done that, all you need to do now, you can go back. Now we're just going to tap on Beehiiv in the top left hand corner, and we're going to select exit website builder. Now that we have created our website, the next thing you'll need to do is design your newsletter. So you're going to tap on design your newsletter right here. After you have selected design your newsletter, this is one of the pullbacks that I have with Beehiiv. They don't have a lot of templates. So instead, what I recommend you do is tap on new template. Then you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, what you're going to do next is you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to type in newsletter, select templates, then tap on enter. From here, you'll be provided with numerous newsletter templates that you can use. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with a crown, that means that you need to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. Let's say we would like to use this template. I can simply select the template, tap on customize template. Then from there, it's quite beginner friendly and straightforward. You can select whatever you like to change, and you can upload the image, you can change the text and all of that. If it is a case that you'll also like to add a link, you can do that. So for example, let's say I would like to make this text clickable. That says Chief Executive Officer. All I would need to do is simply select the text, and let's say I would like to redirect them to this page. So I'll simply copy the URL. This is just a quick example. And I could paste in the URL. So we'll select link right here. We'll simply paste in the link. After you have done that, you'll tap on done. Once they are finished, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're just going to tap right where you see copy link. After you have done that, all you need to do now, you're going to simply tap on See All, better yet. After you have selected See All, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on Embed. Then you're going to select Embed, and you're going to tap on Copy. After you have selected Copy, you can go back into Beehiiv. And once in Beehiiv, you're going to tap right here, and you can add in your title. After you have added in your title, you're going to tap where you see Click Here to Write. You're just going to tap on the plus, scroll down, and you're going to select where you see HTML snippet. And you're going to paste it in, so we can paste it in right here. After you have added it, what I recommend you do right where you see brown/modern, you're going to delete that particular section. So we're going to delete this section right here. After deleting the section, if we were to select preview, you can see how it looks. And also the link is still clickable. So if I were to tap on the link, you can see that it redirects me to the page. Now that we have created our newsletter, we're just going to tap on finish. After selecting finish, you can see how it looks right there. Once everything is to your liking, all you need to do now to publish your newsletter, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. And from the left-hand menu option, what you're going to do next is, now to publish your newsletter, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Start Writing. After selecting Start Writing, from there, you're going to see the template that you have created. And you can simply select the template. After you have selected the template, you're going to tap on Next in the top right-hand corner. Once you have done that, you can select all free subscribers. Then we're just going to tap on Next once more. Then you can add in the email subject line. So for example, I'll select Welcome Email. Then you can also add in a preview text, and you can scroll down if you would like to also enable likes and comments. You can do that. Then you're going to tap on Next. After you have selected Next, you'll also see the web post, so you could put in a post thumbnail if you want. And you can scroll down and you can also see different options that you can quickly edit. Once you're finished, you'll select Review. Then you can scroll down, and from there, if there's anything you'd like to change, you can do that. Then we're just going to tap on Schedule. Once you have selected Schedule, you could select Publish Now, and it will automatically go out to persons once they are subscribed to your list. Or you can schedule it for a later date. We're just going to tap on Publish Now. And just like that, we have now created our first newsletter, as you can see right there. If it is a case that you would like to copy the link and share it, you could also do that. Now, let's say you would like to create your own email marketing setup and you would like to automate stuff. To do that is quite straightforward when it comes onto Beehiiv. All you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, we're going to tap right where you see Audience. Then you're going to tap on Automations. After selecting Automations, from here, you'll be able to create your first automation. So we're going to tap on Create Automation. After selecting Create Automation, let's say for example, we would like to start our automation from someone as signed up. Or you can select when a subscriber submits their email through a form, you have different options. Let's say we were to select Signed Up. After selecting Sign Up, you can select what you'd like to happen next. So we'll tap on the plus, and we're going to be sending an email. So you'll tap on Send Email. After you have selected Send Email, from there you can tap on Create Email. After you have selected Create Email, you could choose a template that you have created, or you can scroll down and you can see different templates that you can choose from. And you could select a particular template that you would like to use. After selecting the template, you can edit the template to your liking. So you can make any changes you want. You can tap on a particular section and you could make changes to it. You can scroll down and you can see different options. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, all you need to do now, you can send out a test email. So you can tap right there and you could send out a test email to see how it would look. Or you can tap on preview to see how it would look right there. Once you're finished editing it, you could tap on details right here. After doing that, you can select the author. You could also type in the preview text and change the subject line if you want. You can tap on style in the top right here and you could also further edit it. Let me select style real quick and you can change the. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to send a test version, you can do that. So you could tap right here. And from there, you'll see the option where you'll be able to send a test email. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save. And just like that, you have created your first email. After you have done that, we'll go back. And from there, you can choose other emails that you would like to send. So for example, I could scroll down, then tap on the plus. And let's say, for example, you'd like to add a delay in between. So you could tap on Wait Until, and you can choose either waits for a specific day or time. Or you can simply tap on Time Delay. After selecting time delay, if it is a case that you would like to set the delay for a day or so on, you can do that. So you can select whichever type you want. So you can select right here. So you could simply go over to the right hand menu option, tap where you see minutes, change it to a day, and we're just going to change it to 1 day. So let me do that real quick. Once you're finished doing that, you can also tap on the plus and you could add in another email that you'd like to send. There are numerous options on how you can automate it, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and you'll have your automation live. If you have any questions that you would like to ask or anything that you'd like me to go over, please let me know, and thank you for watching.